Diffblue cover. Are your Java projects slowing down because of time-consuming unit testing? Or are bugs slipping through because your team can't keep up with writing tests manually? Diffblue cover changes that, turning hours of testing into minutes. Diffblue cover is an AI-powered tool that automatically writes unit tests for Java applications. Using advanced reinforcement learning, it creates comprehensive, human-readable tests up to 250 times faster than manual writing. This means you can catch issues early and ship reliable code faster, even under tight deadlines. The platform integrates smoothly with popular CI/CD pipelines like GitHub Actions, GitLab, and Jenkins, ensuring continuous testing is always part of your workflow. Every time your code changes, Diffblue cover updates and maintains your tests automatically, keeping coverage consistent and accurate. Its regression detection feature spots potential bugs by checking new code against existing functionality, so you avoid costly errors later. One of its biggest advantages is its deep code understanding. Diffblue cover doesn't just generate random tests, it documents your code's behavior in a meaningful way, making your codebase easier to maintain and modernize. This is especially valuable for legacy code, where increasing test coverage manually can take weeks. For developers, Diffblue cover eliminates tedious tasks, freeing you to focus on building features instead of writing repetitive tests. Teams benefit from faster delivery, improved code quality, and reduced technical debt. Plus, with enterprise-grade security, everything runs in your environment. Your data never leaves your systems. Pricing starts at around $30 per user per month, making it a cost-effective solution for companies of all sizes. Big names like Goldman Sachs already rely on Diffblue cover to modernize their software pipelines and speed up releases. If you want to improve your testing process, catch bugs earlier, and deliver better Java applications with less effort, Diffblue cover is the upgrade your workflow needs.